This is the Walk of Four Waterfalls starting at Metulla, and even though there's no water in the waterfalls, it should be a very nice walk. The sources of the stream are in Lebanon's Ayoun Valley. The stream flows down between Metulla's east side and the Lebanese border. As the stream runs down into Israel towards the Jordan River and Lake Kinneret, it has carved out this beautiful green canyon. The walk is not too strenuous, so it's an ideal choice for a family outing. The trail that we're taking from the top down takes about 1.5 hours. There's also a shorter one that starts and finishes in the lower car park. The guide told me that until just 5 days ago, the waters were still cascading down these cliffs. Now, in late spring, it's down to a trickle. But there's plenty to enjoy here at any time of the year. In summer, water from the river is drained off by Lebanese farmers for irrigation purposes, and the riverbed here becomes dry. But the Nature Reserves Authority in Israel has ambitious plans to revive these falls by redirecting water from the River Dan into the Ayoun River. The frogs are hard to spot, but they break out with such a din that we can't doubt their presence. It's a good idea to check before you start that there's transport from the lower parking lot to take you back to your car at the upper lot. Otherwise you'll have an uphill walk along the road back into Metulla.
השמש הזורחת בחניקה ושוקעת בארצי כי השמש כן, השמש כאן, השמש כאן, השמש לא תפסיק כי השמש כן, השמש כאן השמש לא תפסיק כאן השמש לא תפסיק כאן השמש לא תפסיק